How to hide profile picture on WhatsApp from some contacts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the WhatsApp application on your device so that there are no glitches while using the application. Next, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now just open up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged in. After logging in, you can just tap on the settings icon. Now as a latest settings icon, you just need to go to the privacy section over here. And here you can see the option of profile photo. So just tap on profile photo and here it gives you option on who can see my profile photo. So here if you do not want some contacts to not see your profile photo, or if you want to hide profile picture from certain person, all you have to do is go to my contacts except the person that you want to hide the profile picture from. Just select it and then go back and it will be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.